Hello and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to organize apps on your iPad and create folders in a simple, easy-to-follow way. This is perfect if you're a beginner or feel like your home screen is getting a bit messy. Before we get started, let's quickly run through what to expect from this tutorial. Today, we will be looking at why organizing apps helps and why it's important. We will then learn how to move apps on the home screen. Then we will look at creating a folder, renaming a folder, and then I'll give you the beginner's tips. Finally, we will discuss what to expect in the next tutorial. Please remember this tutorial is for beginners. We'll take each topic nice and slowly. You can pause and rewind this video at any time. If you have any questions or want help with your iPad, let me know in the comments. I'm always here to help. Now, let's get started. When apps are scattered across lots of screens, it can feel confusing and to some, overwhelming. Organizing your apps makes your iPad easier to use and helps you find things much faster. I am going to show you how to move the FaceTime app at the top, down, so it sits next to the camera app. Afterwards, I will show you how to move the app onto the next home page. To move an icon, place your finger on the app icon and hold it gently. After a moment, the apps on your home screen will start to wiggle. You can now drag the app to a new position on the screen. To move it back again, place your finger on the app, hold it gently until the apps start to wiggle and drag it back up on the screen. You can then click Done in the corner here, or tap anywhere on the screen. To move the app to the next page, follow the same process. Press the app gently until the icons wiggle. Then drag the app across to the next screen. Then press Done in the corner here or anywhere else on the screen. Brilliant! You can now move apps on your home screen. Let me know in the comments if you managed to master this iPad tip. To create a folder, drag one app on top of another app. You can use what we've just learnt to move the apps on the screen. When you let go, your iPad will automatically create a folder. This is useful for grouping similar apps together, such as shopping and games. Once you're happy with the apps in your folder, tap Done or tap anywhere on the screen. Your iPad gives the folder a name automatically, but you can change it. Gently press down on the folder name. Tap Rename. Type a new name for your folder. Then tap here. You can then tap anywhere on the screen to save your new folder name. Finally, tap Done in the corner or anywhere on the screen. A simple tip is to keep your most used apps on the first home screen page. Try not to create too many folders. Simple is best. In the next video, I'll show you how to delete apps and free up space on your iPad. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.